How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to The Average Garage. On today's episode, it's super quick, simple, it's a small episode, and we are fixing the taillights on the Pajero Sport. If you don't know what I mean, everybody hates them. I like them. Some other people like them, but a majority of people hate them and reckon they look ugly or like melted candles or runny mascara or whatever. Anyways, I'm going to put everybody's minds at ease and I'm going to fix them with what's in this envelope. You'll see that in 2 seconds, so let's crack on. Alright, so for this super simple episode, we're going to use some white vinyl wrap and we're just going to wrap up the bottom part of the lights. That's what everybody hates, so let's get to it. Alright, that is in no way how you should wrap, but it's how I have because I'm literally going to rip this off after the video because I like the tail lights the way they are. But here you see it. Now you can buy proper plastic covers to do this. I don't recommend it because a lot of them cover up the reflectors. You can't legally cover up the reflectors, you will run into issues and you probably will get a yellow sticker over it. So anyways, there you go, blanked out tail lights. Enjoy. So as you can see here, I've put the park lights on. So their brake lights are actually all at the top. They don't run down, it's just purely the park lights. But as you can see, it does shine through the wrap. It is only thin vinyl wrap. It's the cheap, nasty stuff off eBay from an old project a long time ago. And no, I did not install it correctly. You could put a black wrap and then a white wrap, and then that would probably get rid of the park lights. But like I said, I don't recommend it. I don't suggest it. I reckon they look much better with the lights the way they are. I don't like when they look blocked off like this. It just looks horrible. Even if you played with the different angles of what you could do as a chop, they still look crap. But hey, your miles may vary. You may like the look, you might not. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you all in the next one.